Hello, my name is Osman Chohan, Chief Pharmacist at the Rotherham NHS Foundation Trust. Safe care for patients, for me, is from a medicines perspective. We want to make sure that patients get the right medicine to the right patient at the right dose, via the right route and at the right time. Part of that for me as a Chief Pharmacist is making sure that care in regards to medicines is done correctly at 3 stages of the patient journey. Firstly, at the point of admission. Secondly, during the inpatient stay, and then thirdly, and equally importantly, is at the point of discharge. If we can get all of those aspects of medicines care right for the patient, then that is good, safe care from my perspective. Some of the things we can do to make sure our staff give safe care each and every time is to make sure that we support our staff in order to deliver good care by giving them the training, the development, and making sure that their practices are as up to date as possible. Part of that is making sure our staff follow and are kept up to date with our training programs. But part of it is also that we make sure our policies and procedures are kept up to date. We also want to make sure that in this very busy time for the NHS, our staff are able to do the right thing for every patient, every time. And so we must make sure that our processes for medicines are robust and up to date. We must make sure our medicines are stored securely, stored safely, and that they are accessible at the time of need. We must also make sure that our controlled drugs procedures and policies are followed and documentation is made, whether that be for controlled drugs or for the administration of medicines. We must also make sure that our patients are given information and education around their medicines, and a whole host of staff are involved in that, not just doctors and nurses, pharmacy staff as well, and other colleagues in our therapy services, physiotherapists for example, who can give advice around care and associated with medicines. So please help us all to deliver the best care we can, and please try and do the right thing so that we can give safe, effective care to our patients. Thank you.